Hi, I'm Jimmy Paschke with SurgeX in ISE 2020. We have an incredible product that's called SQUID. And the reason we called it SQUID is because it reaches out to so many different AV types of devices with the AC and the DC outputs. We're actually able to control these via discrete control for AC and banks of control for the DC. So cut those wall warts. They'll no longer need to be drooping off of a tap of power, and run those connections straight into the DC output. Whether it's 12 volt or 24 volt, we'll have a product that matches just what you need. SQUID's unique functionality allows us for installation below a conference room table. Huddle spaces are going to be very big for that. Behind the video walls or displays, or even rear rack mount to residential racks or racks in commercial spaces. One of the reasons we want you to make sure that this is included in every job is because we get some incredible data about power. We'll take a look at the incoming voltage. You'll be able to see the minimums and the maximums. We'll see how much current we're drawing. We have status of the outlets there for you, the status of the DC banks as well. But that data on power comes really handy when you're trying to assess whether power is or isn't a potential cause for you having to do so many reboots on a particular job site. For more information, check us out at espsurgex.com. See your local representative for more details.